All right, sports fans, it's Thursday. We've got to make some really specific game plans today to make it through the end of the week, including you might need to shift what you're doing a little bit. Stay tuned. Let's do the Pledge of Allegiance, and then we'll jump into some ideas for making some progress today and tomorrow. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, it's Thursday, so it's like third quarter time, right? So get settled in your seats, sit up nice and straight, and let's talk about what you really need to do today to make it through the end of the week. One important piece of being successful in executive functions is managing your time well. And when you're playing a sport, you have to manage the clock, right? You can't do the same thing at the end of the game as the start of the game. Basketball is not just taking crazy three-point shots. There's a time for that, and there's a time for other things. There's sometimes when you want to set up a play, right? We're going to run this play, and we think this is going to allow us to score. Or we're going to set up this defense, and it's going to stop the other team. You need to really think about that time management today. So as you start your Thursday, think about how much PFA time you have. Look at your daily schedule for today with your teacher. It's probably up on the board right now. Do you have any work time that you can just use for finishing things? Maybe it's science project that you're wanting to finish, and today's a science day for you. That would be amazing. But you need to look at your time, and you need to see if that thing that you've been working on, that goal that you've talked to your mentor about, do you think you can finish it by tomorrow? Because tomorrow's Friday. If you want it scored for your team, it needs to be finished by Friday. If you're looking at it and you're going, man, I can't finish that project today, I'll probably finish it next week. I'm going to finish it, and I have another PFA that has a 7 out of 10. To manage your time well, you might need to shift your activities today and pick a different one, right? So take a little bit of time this morning, prioritize those things. Let's take a look at the points and see what's going to get you the most points for your team this week, and also help you get the most points for your team next week, because your team has another game next week. Monday morning, the points start over at 0, and you'll be versing a different team. So let's take a look at this. Have a conversation with your class to get the most points. How are you also going to manage your time well today? Maybe that means I am going to make sure that I study for my PFA and take an attempt during PLT time today. Or, oh man, don't forget that one. I keep seeing this one on the screen. Mentor pre-work completed for 5 points. Your team probably won't win unless everyone's doing their mentor pre-work, because this is free points right there, right? Have your pre-work done, and you're good to go. Oh, speaking of staying on track, maybe you've been working on a big idea this week, and you just noticed that the line's going to pass something tomorrow. And to stay green, you need to finish that up first. So prioritize, use your time well, make a plan. Have a great day, Achieve.